Welcome to Mr. R's art class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thumbs, subs, and ring that bell. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find an image from Google, take that image over to Microsoft Word, and get it ready to print. So what you're going to do is you're going to first go to Google, you're going to type in what you're looking for. You're going to click on images, find the image that you want to print. You're going to right click on that image and hit copy. So at the bottom of your screen it might look like this, and on the bottom left hand side it's going to say ask me anything. Go ahead and click on that and type in Word, W-O-R-D, and Microsoft Word should pop up. Go ahead and click on Microsoft Word. When Microsoft Word pops up, you want to click on blank document and hit OK or hit create. And inside of Microsoft Word, you're going to right click once more and hit paste. Your image is going to pop up, and what I want to do is I want to crop this image. So I'm going to make sure clicked on the image with my left mouse button. Then I'm going to right click on top of the image and I'm going to hit crop, and then these black bars are going to pop up around the image. Go ahead and drag, click and drag those black bars, click and drag those black bars to where you want this image to be cropped. And I want to get rid of as much white space as I can around this image. And so first thing you want to do is make sure that your rulers pop up. And in order to find your rulers, you're going to click on view up here. Make sure that your ruler is checked. And then you're going to go over to layout, because I want to make sure I get rid of all this white space. So I'm going to go to layout, click on margins, click on custom margins, and everything is set to 1 inch right now. So the space from my image to the edge of my paper is set to 1 inch. And you want to change it to 0.25, 0.25 or a quarter. So make sure that the top, bottom, left, and right are all set to a quarter. You're going to hit OK. And it might correct it because some of these printers might not be able to print as far as you want. And if this screen pops up or a similar screen pops up, just hit fix. And it's going to try to get as close as possible and hit OK. And so now it moved your image as close as it can possibly print. I'm going to click on my image. And for these grid transfers, the image can't go past half your piece of paper. So right now, my image is still small enough where I could size it up. So right now it's about in 2.5 inches, a little bit less than 2.5. And in order to make an image bigger, you want to click on the image and grab a corner. If you grab a side, it's just going to stretch out your image. And so what you want to do is just grab a corner. Let me zoom out here. And you can make this picture as big as you want as long as you don't go past half the piece of paper. The size of this piece of paper is 11 inches. So as long as I don't go past 5.5, you'll be okay. So right now my image is almost 5 inches. So this looks like it's going to be just the right size. And what I want to do is I want to print a darker image and a lighter image side by side. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my image with my left mouse button. I'm going to right click, hit copy, and I'm going to make 2 of these images side by side. And I might also give some space, so if you need to go back up to the top picture, my cursor is right there. You're going to click right there and hit return or enter, and that's going to give you some space. And I could probably hit it one more time, and it'll give you a little bit more space there. And so I'm going to make this top image a little bit lighter. The reason why I'm going to make this top image lighter is so that when I draw my grid, I can actually see my lines that go vertical and my lines that go horizontally. The second image, I'm going to leave it dark so I can see some of the details still, but this first image, I'm going to make it lighter. So you're going to right click on your image, click on Format Picture, and then you're going to have this menu that pops up. You're going to find this little icon that has some mountains and a sun. Click on that. Go ahead and click on Picture Color. A sub-menu is going to pop up. Then you're going to go over to these presets right here where it says Recolor. Find where it says Recolor and then Presets. Click on that. And you're going to come down to maybe the fourth to last preset. And if you leave it hovered over there, it should say gray. It should say gray. You're going to click on that, and it's going to be a little bit lighter. It's also going to take the color away. It's going to take the color away. So once you have that image there, you're ready to print. So you could go to File, Print. File, Print. Before you print, make sure that you're printing only one page and only one copy. So make sure that your document is only one page and you're only making one copy. Your printer should be ready and set up to a printer. If you need help setting up the printer, or if you have any trouble printing, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, you're ready to go ahead and click on Print. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And feel free to watch any of the other related videos.